I've always been very active. I like to bike and I like to recreational walk and I like to fly fish, all of things which require knees to do. And I just said, I need more help than just taking good care and being inactive. So I'm aware of stem cells and what they can do, and I have a friend who's involved with that kind of research, so I talked with him. He sent me some information and I read through that, and I thought there's no contraindication to stem cells. There's no known reactions to them. They do whatever they can do in a very helpful, non-inflammatory manner, and there just basically was no reason not to go ahead. I kind of looked at the cost factor and I kind of went, that's not an inconsiderable amount of money, and it's cash on the barrelhead. And then I thought, now let's take another look. Okay, so you go and you have a knee replacement. Cost-wise, that's a lot of money. You're probably looking at between $40,000 and $60,000, including the hardware and all the physician's fees. Yes, it's covered by insurance, but then you're looking at an extended, protracted recovery, and a certain number of people don't have such wonderful results. And I thought, you compare that kind of a cost with the cost to have your stem cell therapy done, and there's really not much to compare about. One is totally pro with no reactions. The other is probably going to work, maybe, and it's unpredictable. So what happens if you get a hardware failure? What happens if you react to the glue or the metal? You got a real problem. And on the stem cell side, I had my terror of having my knee injected. Even though I've given a lot of injections, I'm a real wuss. And I thought, you know what, baby, belly up to the bar and just get her done. So that was basically the decision. But what's been interesting post-procedure is there's more mobility, there's more stability in the knee, there is no swelling. There was never any swelling after the procedure. I mean, basically they said take it easy for a couple of days, which I certainly did. And it has been nothing but positive. Would I do it again? In a heartbeat. Do I recommend it? Absolutely.